Today we're making rainbow fried rice, which is full of different colours and flavours, and I hope you enjoy it. As well as the rice, which should be dried out or a day old, you'll need some chopped shallots, you'll have some chopped beans which are pre-boiled, sweet corn and carrots, and if you want some shrimps as well. First we're going to add some soy sauce to the rice and mix it around. This is what most takeaways do before they fry the rice, because it soaks up the flavour first. So you'll add this soy sauce to the cold rice before it's cooked with the rest of the ingredients. Firstly, we're going to take the beans and dehydrate them in a dry pan. So put the beans into the pan first and get them on a medium heat, and we're going to allow them to dry out and slightly brown off first of all. Keep them moving around for a little while before adding some salt.
Add some salt and pepper.
Once the beans are browned off, you can add a little bit of oil into the center of the pan. Then mix it well, and you're going to add the shallots in with the beans next. Next go the carrots, and you're going to mix this around thoroughly as well. We've added some prawns into the mixture in between, but you can leave those out if you don't like seafood. Next in goes the sweet corn, so you can see all the wonderful colours and flavours that make this rainbow fried rice. A little drop of Shaoxin Chinese cooking wine goes into the mix, and you're going to mix it in thoroughly. Last but not least, you're going to mix in the rice that was soaked in the soy sauce from beforehand and mix it all up into a rainbow fried rice. This is full of amazing colours, textures and flavours, and makes ordinary rice so much more interesting. Please make sure you join us next time on how to spice up and be more creative with your roast potatoes in a Chinese fashion.